In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a new user on the Temu app using the same phone. Whether you're looking to manage multiple profiles on a single device or simply want to start fresh, I'll guide you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to easily set up an additional account on your device. Let's get started by opening up the Temu app on your phone. You'll likely find the icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, and it's visually distinct with its brand logo, making it quite easy to spot. Once you have the app open, you'll want to navigate to the Use section. This area serves as your personal hub on the app, where you can manage various aspects of your account. After you're in the Use section, you'll see an option for settings. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where all the fine-tuning and adjustments to your account happen, including the ability to manage different user accounts. Now, within the settings, you'll notice a sign out option. It might be tempting to explore the other features, but we need to focus here for now. Tap on sign out. You'll be prompted once more to confirm that you really want to sign out. Again, tap sign out. This step clears the current session and prepares the app for you to create a new account. After you've successfully signed out, the app will take you back to the main login page. Here, you'll want to click on Register. This button is usually located below the login fields and is your gateway to setting up a new user profile. Once you click on Register, you're ready to create your new account. The registration process typically involves entering some personal details like an email address, a username, and a secure password. Follow the prompts on your screen to complete each field. Depending on the app's current version, you may also need to verify your email address or phone number to ensure the security of your new account. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new user on the Temu app using the same phone. You can now easily switch between accounts or fully explore what Temu has to offer from your new profile. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to drop a comment below. I hope this video was helpful and that you feel confident managing multiple accounts on Temu. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more useful tutorials like this one.